In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a liquid distortion effect that makes your footage look like it's flowing or melting. This effect is often used in creative edits and music videos to give the scene a surreal look. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Turbulent Displace. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel. Start by adjusting the amount value. For increasing the amount controls how strong the distortion becomes. Now adjust the size setting. This controls how large the distortion waves appear. Larger values create bigger flowing distortions, while smaller values create tighter movement. Now let's animate the distortion. Click the stopwatch icon next to evolution to enable animation. Move forward on the timeline and increase the evolution value. As the value changes, the distortion begins moving continuously, creating a liquid-like motion. Play the clip and you'll see the footage flowing like liquid. And that's it. You've successfully created a liquid distortion effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.